Today's topic is haplodiplontic cycle. If we learn this cycle, we can learn both haplontic and diplontic cycle. This is the key to open two doors. Jokes apart, diplontic cycle. So to remember this cycle, I have created I have made a sentence which is Suresh and Mahan are going to Germany, Spain and Zealand. Or another sentence is Suresh and Mahan are going to garden to search or to see sunflower and zygo. Zygo is a flower. Its full name is, I'll write it here. Full name is zygo petalum. Zygo petalum. I have considered this much only. Zygo. Okay. Let it be. So now I will draw cycle from S. I will consider S. First of all, S represents for sporophyte. Then Mahan, M represents meiosis. You should draw your diagram. And write it here as meiosis. Next is R. G for going. G for gametophyte. Again G for gametophyte, and again G represents for gametogenesis. And then Spain, S represents for syngamy. This line is very important. This line you should draw like this. So later on you should draw single line. Okay. So next is zygote, and Zealand means it is a place outside the country, outside India. Zygote. Okay, now I will show from this sentence. S for sporophyte, M Mahan, M for meiosis, G for gametophyte, and G for gametogenesis, S for syngamy, and Z for zygo. Okay. See once more. I will explain once more. Suresh and Mahan are going to garden in search of sunflower and zygo. Suresh and Mahan are going to garden to see sunflower and zygote flower. So let's explain haplontic cycle. In this cycle, if we remove this sporophyte, then it becomes, I'll erase it so you don't get confusion. So now this is our haplontic cycle. Now if I want to draw an diplontic cycle, I will add sporophyte. And now I will draw diplontic cycle. I'll show you diplontic cycle. Diplontic Diplontic cycle. Now di stands for 2. Di means 2. From this cycle I have to remove 2 steps, and that are this one and this one. So this becomes our diplontic cycle. First is our sporophyte, meiosis, and syncamy. Should erase this cycle, these 2 steps. We can write syncamy here and add this like here. Syncamy we can write here, and then zygote, here zygote and sporophyte. Okay. If we learn haplodiplontic cycle, we can draw this both cycle, and haplodic and diplontic cycle. Thank you.